All you have to do, guys, is buy 3 XRP. Yes, that's correct. If you want to transform your life for the better, you only need less than $100. Stay tuned as I explain why I believe 3 XRP might easily transform your life. More importantly, Jack the Rippler tweeted that #XRP mass adoption is on the way. And you already know that this ship is poised to set sail. So, will it sail with you on board? Or will you be among those who observed the rise of a great coin but never had the opportunity to invest? Let's get that preamble out of the way before we get into the meat of the matter. Greetings. Welcome to XRP Hut, your preferred cryptocurrency channel. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and enable the notification bell to receive notifications when we post new videos. Welcome back, my XRP family. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment in the space down below if you found this video interesting. We're about to get a little mathematical today, so brace up. And no, I'm not going to get too technical. The idea is for you to grasp what's going on. Right? Let's get started, shall we? Okay, the current daily wire value processed is $1.4 trillion. Multiply that by 30 and you'll get 42 T per month. In a year, that's $42 T multiplied by 12 for a total of $504 T. Remember that these figures do not represent all of Ripple's partners. Even with the lawsuit in place, they are the only partners Ripple has made thus far. This figure is expected to rise even further once broad adoption occurs. So even if Ripple only catches 0.5% of this, we will have a market cap of at least $2.5 trillion. They intend to capture at least 50% of all wire value processed every day. That equates to a market capitalization of $252 trillion. However, this is only the top of the iceberg. We are now entering the complete digital age, and it is possible that these figures may be greater with genuine utility behind them. So, what does this mean for the XRP price? I took the time to do the math for you as well. So, given that there would only be about 65 billion XRP in the market, we must divide the market cap by 65 billion. With merely 0.5% of this, the price of XRP will be $38. I did a bit of rounding off for ease, and that's just me being cautious as always. Consider this, as the Ripple only has to acquire 0.5% of the market to push this coin's price into the double digits. Guys, please open your eyes. I'm not sure how much longer I can hold out. Regardless of what is now happening in the courts, XRP will skyrocket in the coming months or even sooner. On a low level, the price of this coin is expected to reach 2 figures in the near future. And that's only the beginning. The present developments of this coin will assure that XRP reaches a new level that even BTC can never reach. To be honest, XRP is the only coin that has the potential to take the top slot. The best part is that we expect it all to happen overnight. Yes, that's correct. The rise of XRP to the top should take less than 24 hours, if not less. That means you should load up on as many XRP as possible. Otherwise, you will be left behind when the relocation occurs. We can all agree that the only reason XRP hasn't mooned and is still working at a fraction of its full capacity is because of the suppression that's taking place on it. But perseverance will finally pay off. Suppression cannot continue indefinitely. More crucially, even though the goal of whales and other higher powers is to repress this coin, they are unintentionally providing it the strength to reach the moon and never return. Then there's this tweet from @RippleXRP, which declares, XRP is going to bridge cryptocurrencies. Paper money will be bridged by XRP. XRP will serve as a bridge between CBDCs. Everyone will benefit from XRP liquidity. XRP will alter the world, and you will be a part of the evolution of money. It's taken a long time, but there's now some light at the end of the tunnel. Let the trains and rockets go off. XRP is a neutral bridge asset that can sustain healthy, alternative liquidity markets, allowing for frictionless and cost-effective value movement in real time between various CBDCs. XRP also allows for the trading of less liquid CBDC pairs, increasing global competition by eliminating entry barriers for new and smaller market participants. A bridge currency must be specifically tailored for payments and support the same speed, scalability, low cost, and security that CBDCs will provide in order to enable a genuinely efficient global market. If Ripple wins SEC lawsuit, XRP is poised for significant adoption, says JP Morgan. Following up on this on financefeeds.com, we can see that the JP Morgan study began with the statement XRP was developed to facilitate transactions on Ripple's blockchain-based digital payment network. The network's advantages include faster payments and lower transaction fees. The paper lists its foundation year, 2012, as well as co-founders Jet Optimized, who has since left the business to establish Stellar, and Chris Larsen, who is a co-defendant in the SEC XRP complaint. While traditional money transfers, most notably SWIFT transfers, are expensive and can take up to 5 business days to complete, transactions using Ripple's XRP can be done in as little as 3 to 5 seconds, with transaction fees as low as 0.0001 XRP. SWIFT transfers are more expensive because of the multiple intermediary banks involved, which charge both the sender and the receiver fees. More than 100 financial institutions, including Bank of America, Santander, and American Express, are part of the Ripple network. Furthermore, the role of XRP as a bridge asset in international settlement is not competitive with stablecoins, but rather complementary. So, let's have a look at the graphs. What can we perceive when we look at this graph? We can see uptrends, downtrends, and sideways movement. We can look for patterns to predict what will happen next. From 2013 to 2017, we formed a triangle by making higher lows and lower highs until we saw a significant rally in 2017. It took us 4 years to break through. We then pushed up sharply and formed a bullish pennant, which resulted in a plus 1,000% rise. We were in a bear market from 2018 to 2020, with lower lows in a channel pattern. We then breached this channel and witnessed a large rise up, but we quickly came back down due to the SEC lawsuit. Nonetheless, we continued our ascent, and now, much as in 2017, we're forming a tight triangle shape. I believe we will see a final push-up before we experience another bear market for a couple of years. Some claim we can't get to $10, but why not? On this graph, what is a 1,000% change? It's insignificant, some shitcoins do this for no apparent reason, simply because some TikTokers promote it. Most people will be too late to enter if XRP wins the case, which I believe they will. This is going to blow up like nothing you've ever seen before. If we look at Bitcoin, 60K is now the local resistance zone following the negative breakout, and a new descending trendline has developed for BTC here, where we may expect substantial sell pressure if the price touches the resistance of the trendline again. Only after breaking the 62K, 64K resistances can we expect a positive market and bulls to take the lead once more. Below these resistances, the market is more neutral and negative. Please bear in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. All videos on this channel are just for entertainment purposes. Let us know what you think in the comments box below, and we'll have a discussion. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the button below. Turn on alerts to be notified every time we publish new interesting stuff. We'll see you in the following video.